Hi and Assalamualaikum to Doctor and my fellow friends. My name is Nurul Anissa Azliana. My metric number is 271213. We are from Group 9. Our topic is about work stress. Today we will present to you about our poster. Our poster is about stress in workplace during pandemic COVID-19. Our poster is containing with the causes of stress, challenges that faced by frontliner and other employees, and recommendation to overcome the issues.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Salita Asni, metric number 275294. I will present about the real challenge. First, according to the New Straits Times newspaper by Mahbub, the pandemic COVID-19 makes a huge changes and difference to our life. The COVID-19 virus is triggering stress and causing sadness, worry, confusion, and fear. Real challenge faced by health workers was the anxiety as they need to threaten the actual event, such as treat the infected COVID-19 patients. And also, due to lots of cases, it leads to burnout, stress that worsen the physical and mental. The implication was less willingness to engage in leadership, lower quality of healthcare service, lessen patient satisfaction, and increased level of health-related infection. Next, other occupations also facing stresses. They need to change their working style. They need to work from home. The new environment is difficult to adapt as this is too rapid changes. They need to face the distractions at home that will create a lot of stress. They also have difficulties to divide personal and work activities hours and feel like unpacking work hours. The pandemic also affected other business companies also, and for those who work by themselves. For a company, they face a huge challenge such as cash flow problem, closure of operational activity, and they are unable to pay salary for workers because they do not have an income from operational activities. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Aniswana Beti Apendi. My metric number is 271459. I will continue to present my part on the poster is recommendation or suggestions to overcome the problem or issue. So, first is employees need to see how a site starts of performance. It's meaning that employers need to give employees the opportunity to customize their job as needed. Employers should also allow employees to make decisions that follow and influence their productivity. The second is recommendation. Employees need training to do their jobs well. So, meaning that employers need to provide ongoing training and education to the employers in order to increase the productivity and quality of each employee. The third recommendation is employees need to communicate with manager and co-workers. So nowadays, managers and co-workers need to improve communication between them as there are a number of companies still working from home in this pandemic COVID-19. So therefore, communication in the organization is very important because we work and interact with each other, especially manager and co-workers. The fourth is employees need a pleasant and safe working environment to reduce workplace stress. Meaning that is currently the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic also contributes to the issues of unsafe working environment problems and can affect the health of worker. For example, is the implementations of working from home that affect the balance of work and their life. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Alias, number metric 270993. I want to talk about the implication of the recommendation if we apply this recommendation to an organization. The first one is employee need to say how assigned tasks are performed. Employee can customize how they do their work. This can challenge the employee skill and develop them even further. But employee also need to check with the managers to evaluate their job and getting knowledge from them to fix their mistake that they done. It can develop strong relationship between employer and employee. The second from the recommendation is employee need training to do their job well. The implication that we can conclude from this is that employee can gain many benefit by doing training, and the employee also can gain many benefit from it. It is a win-win situation from both of them. One of the benefit of training, can improve employee skill and knowledge about the work. The employee who's likely to receive training tend to perform better than the employee who doesn't receive training. The third recommendation is the employee needs to communicate with managers and co-workers. The implication of this is that employees should have better communication with others when working to ease the work and to create better environment for others. Miscommunication between employees and other colleagues can affect the workplace condition, and it can create conflict. The last implication from the recommendation is that employees need safe working environment to ease their stress and others' problem. Employer must follow the standard operation procedure or SOP to ensure their worker to have less risk to come contact with the virus. Employer also must communicate with employees to make sure that they are okay and in good condition when coming to work. This can boost their morale and performance. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azatul Ashikin and my metric number is 272774. So I will go to the conclusion. So in the conclusion, we conclude that stress can give effect to their mental and physical health, which is not good for them, as it will give effect whether it is for to their surrounding or to the quality of their work in workplace, as they cannot give a full focus on their task. So this stress can be affected by many challenges, especially during COVID-19, which is the employees having the problem with their family, and also not get the full or uncomfortable environment at home, as their children get noisy always. So stress can be handled if the company give the motivation and support to the employees during the COVID-19, as the employee having the stress, especially with the financial crisis. So it is good for the organization to take action during COVID-19 and support the employees, so that the employees can be motivated to improve the quality of their work, or at least can maintain their work during the COVID-19, and can also help the company to grow further and maintain the profit during this pandemic. That's all from our group. Thank you.